Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload a new profile picture in Canva. So if you want to change the profile photo displayed on your Canva account, so open Canva and sign into your account. Now click your current profile picture or initials at the bottom corner. So once you click your profile, so select your account. Now under your profile, so click your current profile photo. So right here. So if you click that, then you can choose an image from your computer. Or you can also click change photo right here on the right side. Then choose the image you want to use. So select an image from your computer or device. You can double click on it to upload it, or you can click open and it will upload to your Canva profile. So you can crop or adjust the image if prompted. Then click save to update your profile picture. And that's it. So your new profile picture will appear across your Canva account. So if your picture won't upload, make sure your internet connection is stable. Use a support image format like JPG, PNG, or GIF. Reduce the file size if the image is very large, or you can refresh Canva and try uploading again. And that's it. Thank you for watching.